Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the review of the Huda Beauty Tantour cream to powder right here. I received the PR package and I thought it would be nice to share my thoughts with you guys. These are the products in the pack. So this was what the packaging looks like. I'm going to go into details with each product with you guys right now. So the first product in the box is the face sculpt. This brush right here, it has face sculpt and shade on it. That's what the brush looks like. So that's what the brush looks like. That's the brush in the box. First side of the brush, that's the side I used to, apply the contour on my face. And this is what the other side looks like. I use this part to, blend the contour into my skin. I believe this is a dual brush that you're expected to, use to apply the product on your face, but so far so good. I really like the brush because it makes the application of the product easier on the skin, in my opinion. So I use that to apply the contour cream on my face, and I quite like the fact that it picked up the product really well. I didn't have to go back in again. I just dip it into the product once. I applied that all over the areas that I needed to contour. So I believe this is actually good for picking up the product. So far it distributes the product really well on my skin, so I didn't have to go hard on it. I really quite like the fact that it's so soft on the skin, in my opinion. So this other side, so far I like the fact that it blends in the product really well. As you can tell, see, it blends in the product really well on my skin. The bristles are so soft, and you can feel that on your skin. It distributes the product really well on the skin without having to keep going back and forth. I really like the fact that you can actually press it on one spot and the product will dispatch really well on your skin. I really like that about the brush. It's so soft and it's very easy to use. So if you get the contour kit, you might as well get the brush. But I really like how soft the bristles are and how well you can control the product with this brush. It's very nice. I like that. So I'm just going to go into the details of the products in the box. So the first product I have with me right now is the shade medium, and this is what the packaging looks like. There's something about our packaging that I really like. They are quite travel friendly. You can barely feel this on your hand. And I also like the fact that the packaging is really cute. It's so cute. It's very small. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very cute and cheeky. Look at that. So that's the shade written on the back. It's in the shade medium and contour and bronzer cream. That's what the back of the packaging is. So I'm just going to go straight into the details of the product itself. This is the shade medium. You have the cover on top of it as well, just to keep the product safe and avoid mess. I'm just going to bring that out and show you guys what the shade medium looks like. Right there. That's the shade medium. I'm just going to swatch that for you guys to see. Oh my days, this product is so creamy, and at the same time it dries down matte. That's shade medium right there. I used the brush that came with the packaging to apply that, and as you can tell, that's just one swipe, guys. Just one swipe. If you touch this brush into the product once, you can use that to apply. You can apply that all over your face because it really goes a long way. You don't have to keep going in, or otherwise you look like a masquerade. So it really goes a long way. So once you touch, I'm just going to blend that in for you guys to see. Look at that. Look at that. The reason why I definitely recommend the brush, it blends it into your skin effortlessly without having to worry about going back and forth with it. It dries down matte immediately. Like, how amazing is that? Look at that. That's the shade medium. I'm gonna go in and swatch another shade for you guys to see, so you might be able to make up your mind on the color or the shade you want to go for. So it also comes with the cover as well. So I'm going to use the other side of the brush to so this is what light looks like. As you can tell, it's lighter than the shade that I showed you guys earlier. A lot of people can get away with using this as a foundation because I really quite like the color. It has a yellow undertone to it. So I'm just going to swatch the light for you guys to see. So that's the shade Light. I don't know if you can see that, it's right here. That's the shade Light. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. So creamy, guys, look at that. That is Light. That's the shade Light right there. So that would be very, very good for someone that is very, very light, like lighter than me. So Fair also comes in the same packaging. Everything comes with the same packaging, and it also, obviously, and it also comes with this, you know, cover that protects the products from, you know, messing up everywhere. You just take that out, and this is what Fair looks like. So I'm gonna swatch that right. Wow, it's so creamy, guys. It's so creamy. I'm just gonna swatch that right beside Light. I think Fair is lighter than Light, in my opinion. Yeah, Fair is the lightest because this seems darker than this. So this is Fair. So this is Fair and this is Light. So I don't know if you guys can tell that. Yeah. So this is Fair and this is Light. So I use the shade Tan to control my face. So I'm gonna swatch Tan right beside Fair. It's really dark. Yeah, that's Tan, which was the one I used earlier to contour my face. So that's Tan. I quite like this product a lot. It's very creamy. Whether you use your hand or you use your brush, you can feel that, you know, creamy texture, and at the same time it dries down matte. I don't know how that works out anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the last but not the least shade in the packaging. It's in the shade Rich. It also comes with this packaging. So this is Rich. That's what Rich looks like. Wow, it's so creamy, guys. It's so creamy. I don't know how to explain this. It's so creamy. So that's the darkest shade in the packaging, and this is which is Rich. So creamy, guys. It's so creamy. So this is the shade Medium. I'm sorry I didn't, you know, swatch them accordingly, but I'm going to tell you guys what and how. So that's what Medium looks like. That's Medium. So this is the shade Medium. This is the shade Fair, Light. This is the shade Fair. This is the shade Tan, and this is the shade Rich. So that's what. So in conclusion, what do I really think about this product, and what are the main focus of this product? Is it really worth buying? Is it really, you know, what they claim it to be? In my opinion, I believe yes. The product is very creamy, and at the same time it blends down matte. Like, guys, it blends down matte. I don't know how she did that, but that for me, it's a no-brainer. Like, you don't have to, you know, set it with any other powder, because it's going to set that on your skin and become matte. So it depends on you. If you're the type that you're used to, you know, applying powder to set your contour, then you're free to do that. But in my opinion, with this product, you don't need to do that at all. You don't need to do that, because the product settles on your skin and becomes matte, but not crazy matte. You know, it's like a medium matte finish. So it depends on you if you really have to, if you really want to go on and apply powder on your, you know, contour. But with this one, in my opinion, you don't need to set it with any powder at all, because already it sets down as matte finish. So another thing I noticed about this product is the fact that a little goes a long way, guys. A little goes a long way. I use the tip of the brush to take just tiny bit of the products on the brush, and I use that to contour my face everywhere. I don't need to go back and forth with this product, because a little goes a long way. So it might look a little bit, you know, very tiny and very small, but you don't need a lot, guys. It's a cream contour to powder, guys. A little goes a long way, so you don't really need to apply a lot. So For me, that would last you a long time. With contour shades, you don't need to apply a lot, and coupled with the fact that a little goes a long way, then this is a great deal for me. Like, it's a no-brainer. So another thing that I noticed about the product is the packaging, guys. The packaging is so cute. Like, cute. The packaging is really cute. I like how cute and cheeky the packaging is. It's so cute, and it's also small enough to fit in your purse, your bag, anywhere. Like, anywhere. Look at that. It's so cute, and it's gonna fit in your purse, it's gonna fit in your little bag. It's travel friendly. So that's another positive point in my opinion about it. And I also like the fact that she came up with like 5 shades. You definitely find something to suit your skin tone, definitely. But so for that reason, I'm quite impressed. The thing that I like about the packaging is the fact that you have another cover on top of the product itself. So in case you accidentally open the product, it's very hard for you to accidentally open it, but in case that happens, you have this cover as well to protect your all the rest of the products in your bag. For me, it's also a very great point in terms of the packaging of the products. I really quite like the packaging, and there's no way you would mistakenly open this because it's so tight. So it's a no-brainer. But accident happened, why not? If not, you've got that to protect the rest of the products in your bag as well. So I recommend these products. Why not? Of course I recommend it because it's so creamy and blends onto the skin very easily and smoothly. It goes a long way, and the fact that you don't have to apply a lot to achieve the look you're going for, so that for me is a no-brainer. I really like it. It's travel friendly, it's easy to blend, it dries down matte on the skin, and you don't need to apply another contour, and you don't need to set it with a contour powder, which for me it's a no-brainer. And you can also use it as a bronzer. It says that as well, so you can also use it as a bronzer. So it's like a 2 to 3 in 1 product in my opinion. So that's my thoughts about the product so far. I'll leave the details of the products that I used in this video in the description box. Feel free to check out the contour kit and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.